Hello and welcome to Building Resilience in Children. Today we are back with another quiz, and this is the history quiz. So please don't forget to tell us how much you scored at the end of the game, but this is more about a revision through your curriculum as well. So let's see how you do. Let's dive in. So the first question: who did King John inherit the throne from? And as you see, that there are four options. And your time starts now. Well done. It's option D. Moving on to the next one. What is the Magna Carta? Again, you have got four options here, and you can choose one of them as your correct answer. So as you read through it, think about it. You've got 10 seconds to decide which one. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is option B, a document that placed a limit on the king's power. Well done. Moving on to the next one. Where did the nobles meet with King John to get his seal on the Magna Carta? And again, you have got four options to choose from. So, your time starts now. Wonderful, you got it right. So, it's option B. Next question. In 1215, a civil war broke out between King John and the barons. What was this war called? Again, four options to choose from. Think carefully, you can do it. Time starts now. Fantastic! So it's option A. Well done. Next question. Which baron led the Magna Carta? Four options to choose from, so choose your correct answer. You've got 10 seconds, starting now. Perfect! Option C is the correct one. Next one. How was the Magna Carta signed? How do you think it was signed? Again, four options. So think carefully, okay? Think about the time period, think about what could have been available, and if you know it, well, go and pick one. So 10 seconds starting now. Perfect. So it's option B is the right answer. Next one. The Crusades were wars between the Christians and who do you think? So there are four options to choose from. Choose one, which is the right one. I'm sure you're going to do this. Time starts now, 10 seconds. Woohoo! That's perfect. Option D is the right one. Next. This city was on a crossroads between Europe and the Middle East. Which one do you think? A or B? You've got two options to choose from here. And your time starts now. Well done. Good. So that brings us to the end of today's quiz, and I hope you enjoyed it. This is also based on the history curriculum. Of course, you've gone through it. Some of you have already gone through it, some of you have not gone through it. But whatever it is summer fun. So, what we have done is we have also done some quizzes, previous quizzes that you can go into the website to look at, or you can go into the YouTube channel to then play yourselves. But thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Parents, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe because it helps, it inspires us to make more video content for you guys to keep going. Of course, there will be other contents which we are working on at the moment, which will be with you very soon. But in the meantime, because it's summer holidays, so we thought we are going to focus more on the curriculum and resilience. So it's more kind of an activity that the children have got to play alone, if you don't have time, or yes, so that's it. So I'll see you in the next one, and do let us know in the comments below how you scored, but also do let us know your thoughts and the kind of contents that you want us to make in the future. We will definitely take that on board. So thank you very much again. I'll see you soon in the next one. Stay well.